Sheldon College was delighted to welcome Team Scotland swimming coach Ian Wright as a guest coach at training this week. Ian kindly took time out of his Commonwealth Games preparation to run a session for Sheldon Academy of Sport junior, intermediate and senior squad swimmers. They were thrilled to have him attend. This session tied in perfectly with the coaching normally provided by our head coach Alex Jordan, who himself coached a Scottish Commonwealth Games swimmer in the past.
I've been here for just over a week now, here part of Team Scotland, the swimming team, one of the coaches for the Scotland swimming team. And so far everything's been really smooth and good. Everyone looks like they're on track. We've had, fingers crossed, we're not going to have any issues in the run-up in the final few days. We move from Brisbane down to Gold Coast on Sunday. We're going to the Games Village, and so then we'll have 3 or 4 days there before the competition gets underway on the 5th of April. So far it's all good. I think the big one is to be patient with your development. It's not something that you can rush. It takes time. Obviously some children develop faster than other ones, but I would encourage all children not to be discouraged if people are beating you at a young age. Facilities here at Sheldon College frankly are amazing. I'm really taken aback by it. I wasn't expecting this at all. It's, not many places in the UK would have the facilities that you have here, including the pool and the track and all the space that you have. It's amazing. In the swimming at the Commonwealth Games with the medal tally, obviously Australia are going to be the big favourites on home turf, and they usually dominate the medal table, and we'd expect that to continue, but I think Scotland has got a great chance in quite a few events. We've got some swimmers who are ranked to make medals, so we're hoping they can convert that on the day and come away with what they're hoping to. Hope is that we can match what we got in Melbourne, or beat what we got in Melbourne in 2006, which was 12 medals that time, so if we can get anything around there, we'll be really happy.